What's up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweet Man. You dig? You're behind me. We got a new shorty house still. Feel what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys the actual cold start because I haven't done that yet. This is gonna be my first time doing the cold start, so pay attention to it. It sounds mwah, but it could be better. You know what I'm saying? In the future, we're definitely gonna do an exhaust on this. Just sounds even way better, and hopefully get some flames coming out from here. That's a couple videos doing that, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. To help me to get to that point, what I'm gonna need you guys to do right now, subscribe, and also make sure to turn on your post notification. You dig what I'm saying? Because right now we're going to McLaren Toronto. What we want to do is to check the battery, because I don't know how to use the trickle charger. I don't know if the trickle charger isn't working, or I don't know how to use it. So we're going downtown Toronto to go to McLaren. They're gonna close at 5, so we gotta get going. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for the sound. Alright, YOLO. Let me close the door.
Let me get how many seconds it takes to go down.
Anyway, alright, so let's.
Okay.
Yeah,
let me put my timer.
Okay, so we're gonna put the roof down, and then I think it should take less. It should take about 15 seconds.
You think so? I think it'll be like 17, 18 seconds.
Alright, so 15 seconds. 18
Tell me when you start.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Getting it down. 8 seconds so far. 11, 14. She said 8. How many seconds did you say?
18.
Alright, that's it. That's it. You said 18?
Wait, 19.
Okay,
because
so
I kind of kept the time running.
So it takes about 21 seconds.
But no.
Yeah, so the roof is down. The exhaust is right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this yeah, so you see, put the window down. And then actually my neighbor wants to see the car. So let's go show my neighbor what's up, and then we're gonna head out because it's already 3:30. We're gonna get there quick without getting in trouble. Okay, so my engine temperature, damn. The cornering though. Yo, welcome to the 407. So freaking windy. I don't think y'all can hear me, but hey, it is what it is. Super windy. We're gonna respect the speed limit here, so we don't get in trouble. And anyway, got a little cruise control, which is just right here. I guess I just have to do that. Okay, yeah, we go. You just have to click it. And the speed limit, we're gonna respect the speed limit. I can't afford to get in one ticket. I have enough. But nonetheless, you can hear the engine right in the back of the window. So we are blessed. So we're gonna do something with the exhaust though. I feel like the flames have to come out one way or the other. So like I said before, make sure you all subscribe so I can get myself a downpipe. Alright, so we're like about maybe 10 minutes away from the McLaren dealership. So we're gonna get some gas. As you can see over here, yeah, we need gas. I need gas. The battery is fully charged. So more you drive the car, the battery get charged as you drive it. So what I'm gonna be doing, like I said, is gonna go check to how I'm gonna charge the car in case when I don't drive the car, because obviously I'm not gonna be driving this every day, unless if I have business to do, which is like in case any of you guys subscribers or viewers, let's say you guys need a call for like a video shoot, photo shoot, for any event that you guys may need it, You can let me know if you're a subscriber. Definitely you do get a discount as a subscriber, so let me know if you guys need it. Alright, and check me on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram, x_sweetyman, and just DM me there. Let me know if you're a subscriber. Take a screenshot, send that to me, and then for sure you get a discount subscriber. But if you want to support the channel, make sure you subscribe as well. So yeah, we're gonna get some gas and then fill this baby up, and then get onto the McLaren dealership, and then grab some food. You dig what I'm saying? Yellow. So I actually did my first race. You can say I did it against a I think it wasn't I don't think it wasn't a Durango. It was a Dodge SRT, the SUV car. I can't remember the name on the top of my head, but I know it's an SRT. Sounded mwah, mwah, mwah. But yeah, so we did the race. It wasn't bad. I was kind of scared about doing it, you know what I'm saying, because of the it's a spider, right? So it's kind of scary. It's like, so I was like, nah. So I let off at like 155. The first time I let off 180, give or take, and we smoked him. Then the second time I let off at 155. We still won, but I let it off. Then he just passed me then. But I was in normal mode, and so the handling was normal, and the powertrain was in sport. So if I had it on in both in sport, definitely no chance. And if I had my roof down, I'll probably have more balls to like do it, or gap him like maybe 20 cars away. But yeah. Alright, so what do we have? Let's start with 720S in orange, nice looking, beautiful. 570 720S, so that's two 720S. There's a lot of 720S. Another 720S in silver. I think there's more coming. You have a 12C, MP12C. You got 570, 720. Yeah, that's the 570. 720, 720, 12C in red, which I think that's blood red. But yeah, they're a pro at parking these cars, I ain't gonna lie. And you got a random Ford Focus there, just ruin the shots. But nonetheless, I guess all these cars were all in service. So instead of putting it in reverse, you put it in neutral. So that's what happened. As you can tell, like they're all lower to the ground. So like the orange one is super low to the ground. So I believe that guy has an aftermarket exhaust suspension. Then the rest, they're pretty. This one, the white one, it's lifted, and the orange one over there, the 720S, that one too, it's at its lowest settings, so it's at the stock settings, but it's still kind of high up. So these cars compared to Lamborghinis, I feel like Lamborghinis are lower to the ground than the McLarens. If you can see out over there on my car, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's kind of high up. But this is like a Alright guys, it's been a pleasure hanging out with you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys an update what McLaren dealership told me. So yeah, officially my charger doesn't work, and I spoke with Rolls-Royce where I got the car. What they're gonna be doing, they're gonna be calling me back the following, which tomorrow. Hopefully by the time I upload this video, I'll have resolved the problem with the charging system. So they're gonna be checking out the car. They're gonna diagnose the car, because I have a problem with the spider, which over here, this is a spider. So every time I like lower the top down, it takes a little bit longer. Lower the top down. So that's one of the issues I got from the jump, was to lower the top down. Then the next stop that I had was the HVAC system, which is over here. So clearly you guys can really see the HVAC system. So it's on the side of the door where you have the air conditioner. That's the HVAC system. So that one, you require me to check it out for service. Those one, they're like $3,000 to get it fixed, and those one goes out a lot fast. So they're gonna be checking that one out as well. And what else? I think there was one other issue, but no, actually, yeah. So the battery, the convertible part, and the HVAC system. So those are the three main components that they're gonna be checking out. Now, talking about warranty, I was asking about warranty. I do want to do modification on the car, so it's pointless for me to take any warranty, because if I do change the exhaust system on the car, I'm gonna void the warranty, which the warranty is about 10-11 grand to get a warranty on this for 1 year. So I'm gonna take that money and just waste it, because if I'm gonna be doing a downpipe on it, it doesn't matter what pipe I do on it. As long as if I change the exhaust system, I'm voiding the warranty. If I do any freaking suspension system, warranty voided. If I do any modification in the engine, definitely warranty voided. So definitely we don't want to do that. So that's why I won't take warranty. If anything breaks, then I just have to be careful so nothing breaks, and then I have to fix it. So the car right now is at 21,000 mileage. So I'm good with that. So when you get in a car like this, you want to get on the higher mileage, because that's when everything already get fucked up. So the previous one already took care of that braking part. So that's what I heard. But you guys gonna stick along with me, and then we'll see how it goes, right? So cross my fingers, everything is working in a good condition, and we can enjoy this car. Definitely I want to get a downpipe on it. The exhaust sounds good. Like, I feel like the exhaust could do better, in the sense he wants to make bubbles and he wants to shoot flames, but it can't. It's like choking itself. So by me tuning it and doing a downpipe, that's definitely going to help the exhaust even breathe even way better than what it's breathing right now. That's definitely going to change the dynamic of the car, and it's going to even put more power down. So I'm looking forward to that. So make sure you guys subscribe. That's going to definitely help me out to get the downpipe and the tune done on this car, because I spent a lot of money to get this car. So definitely you guys do me a favor, smash the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and make sure you guys turn your post notification. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, and also let me know what you guys want to see next. Alright.